Namaskaram. Today we will see how to do Sun Salutation A in Ashtanga Vinyasa practice. To know more about Ashtanga Vinyasa in theoretical aspect of it, please check the link in the description box. In Ashtanga Vinyasa, basically we have three series of postures, which is primary, intermediate and advanced series. An advanced series further divided as a four more, which is A, B, C, D. Advanced A, B, C, D. So in these series, we'll start the practice by Sun Salutation A, B, standing postures and then sitting postures and end up with the finishing sequence. So today we will see the first part of it, which is Sun Salutation A. So basically this Sun Salutation A and B work as a warm-up. So for this, in Sun Salutation A, we have 9 vinyasas. It means we have 9 steps. So in these 9 steps, step 1, 2 and 3, 7, 8, 9, which is same. So when we're practicing it, we don't jump into directly in the sequence of postures. We will practice by step. So we'll divide in this way. We'll first practice step 1, 2 and 3, 7, 8, 9 and then we will practice 4, 5, 6. So you will start by standing in a Samasthiti, which is keeping your feet together. Sama means equal, where you need to distribute your body weight equally before we get into the further postures. So how we know that we are balancing the body weight equally? So there is a technique to know it. You're just keeping your feet together. Just relax your shoulders and arms. Just keep your spine erect and gently close your eyes. Stabilize your breath. Now gently lean your body weight to the right side. Don't bend completely, just shift your body weight to the right side. Then come to center. Now to the left. Come to center. Now lean your body weight to the front side, to the toes. Come to center. Back side. Now come to center. So now you found the center point in the middle. So that is your body weight has to be there, which is the middle point, Samasthiti. Now from the Samasthiti, we'll go for step number 1, palms together. With a deep inhalation, you're going to raise your hands and look up. So you're going to look at your thumb, the drishti, the gazing point will be the thumb, palms together completely. With the inhalation, and during the practice you need to make sure that you're engaging your core below the navel as much as possible. So in Sun Salutation A and B, this is the focus to generate the heat, which we activate the Samana Prana and the Manipura Chakra. So you have to bring your belly below the navel in and tight your hip or Mula Bandha. Okay, inhalation. Step number 1. In here, make sure that you're not curving your back or you're hanging your neck back. Just keep your tailbone in, belly in, lengthen your spine as high as possible and look at your palm, thumb. Step number 1. Now step number 2, with the exhalation, bend the elbow, bend the knee, just bend forward, keep your both the palm beside your feet and exhalation, relax your neck completely. Padasthasana. Normally when you're going like this, you may go like this or keeping your hands straight. What it happens is you give a lot of pressure on the knee. So which is not a good way or not a smart way to practice, because when we're practicing it, we need to make sure that the stretching and the lengthening is happening on the muscular level, not affecting the skeletal system, which is the joints. So avoid this, just bend the elbow, decrease the weight, bend the knees and gently bend forward. Now from here to do the Padasthasana, keep your both the palms down. Now you don't have to straight your leg and try to push down. First you bend the knee, touch your belly and abdomen to the thigh, relax your neck and shoulder. Once it's done, and then slowly try to focus on your tailbone or the hip and try to lift your tailbone up. So while you're lifting it up, you need to make sure that your abdomen and chest keep the contact with your thigh. Like this. And feel the stretch in your calf and hamstring and just be there. Relax to breathe and just be there, Padasthasana. Now with the inhalation, step number 3, open your chest and then look up. And here you need to make sure that you're going to look up only once you opening your chest. If your chest is here and don't try to look up here, it make you a lot of pressure on your neck region. So what you have to do is open your shoulder, bend the knee a little bit, and then open your chest, and then the cervical or the neck will follow your chest and look up. Step number 3. Now again, this is also step number 7. Now step number 8, again exhalation. Step number 9, when you're coming up, bend the knee, palms together, put the body weight on your hip and push up, same like a step number 1. And exhalation, relax, Samasthiti. So this is how we do step number 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. So when you're doing a Padasasana, it's very important that to straight the leg, we have a 2 method to straight the leg. One is you pushing your knee, it will straight. Second thing is you focus on your tailbone and lift your tailbone up, which is the safest way. If you push your knee, still good, but thing is, it may hurt your knees. So what we do is we bend the knee and lift your tailbone up to straight the leg. So our leg will be straight itself. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. Now in between, after you do the 3, step number 3, normally what happens if you see in a YouTube videos, if you're practicing by that, you may jump back to Chaturanga and then you will end up with the wrist injuries. So in the initial stage, we don't jump back and we don't do Chaturanga. We should not. Okay? We need to gradually develop the strength to do the Chaturanga. So what we do is we bring our leg back, both the leg back, walk back, drop your knee. Instead of Chaturanga, we will do Ashtanga Namana. Okay? Ashtanga means the 8 limbs has to be touched on the floor. Both the toes, both the knees, both the palm, chest and forehead. Ashtanga Namana. Okay? Drop your knee, drop your chest and forehead. Ashtanga Namana. Look at your nose. Now from here, you don't go for upper facing dog, you go for the cobra pose or Bhujangasana. Tailbone in. See, tailbone in. Set your toes back, open your shoulder and push the pubic bone down and then slowly lift it up. Bring your chest up to the cobra pose. You don't do this in the initial stage, you just drop it and lift till the navel region. Lift it up. And exhalation, go for the down facing dog. In the down facing dog also, you don't have to straight your leg first and then try to push down. What you have to do is heels up, bend the knee, lift your tailbone up, focus on your lower back and bring your tailbone up. Once it's done, and then slowly drop your heels without straightening your leg like this. So once you feel start the stretching in your calf and hamstring, just be there. So you don't have to push your knee to straight your leg, okay? Bend the knee, lift your tailbone up and then slowly drop your heels to the floor. Now look at your navel and stay here for 5 deep breathe. Now with the heels up, inhalation, both the leg forward, walk forward. Step number 7, inhale, look up. Step 8, exhale down. Step 9, inhale up and exhalation, relax, Samasthiti. So this is a complete instructions for Sun Salutation A, 9 Vinyasa, 9 steps. So I will lead once, let me practice 5 times for the 5 rounds, okay? Now feet together, stand in Samasthiti. Remember the corrections. Palms together, Ekam, inhale, hands up, look at your thumb. Belly in, look up. Dve, exhale. With exhalation, bend forward, bend the knee. Touch your belly to the thigh. Relax your neck and shoulder. Step 3, Trini, inhale, look up. Open your chest and look up. Chatvari, exhale, walk back. Ashtanga Namana, drop your knee, chest and forehead. Pancha, inhale, cobra pose, tailbone in, toes back, open your shoulder and chest up. Shut, exhale, down facing dog. Stay here for 5 deep breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now with the exhale completely, heels up, sapto, inhale, both the leg forward, step by step. Look up, ashto, exhale, down. Nava, inhale, bend the knee, palms together, slowly come up, look at your palm. Samasthiti, exhale, relax. Again, ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale. With exhalation, bend forward, bend the knee. Touch your belly to the thigh. Relax your neck and shoulder. Step 3, Trini, inhale, look up. Open your chest and look up. Chatvari, exhale, walk back. Ashtanga Namana, drop your knee, chest and forehead. Pancha, inhale, cobra pose, tailbone in, toes back, open your shoulder and chest up. Shut, exhale, down facing dog. Stay here for 5 deep breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now with the exhale completely, heels up, sapto, inhale, both the leg forward, step by step. Look up, ashto, exhale, down. Nava, inhale, bend the knee, palms together, slowly come up, look at your palm. Samasthiti, exhale, relax. Again, ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale. With exhalation, bend forward, bend the knee. Touch your belly to the thigh. Relax your neck and shoulder. Step 3, Trini, inhale, look up. Open your chest and look up. Chatvari, exhale, walk back. Ashtanga Namana, drop your knee, chest and forehead. Pancha, inhale, cobra pose, tailbone in, toes back, open your shoulder and chest up. Shut, exhale, down facing dog. Stay here for 5 deep breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now with the exhale completely, heels up, sapto, inhale, both the leg forward, step by step. Look up, ashto, exhale, down. Nava, inhale, bend the knee, palms together, slowly come up, look at your palm. Samasthiti, exhale, relax. Again, ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale. With exhalation, bend forward, bend the knee. Touch your belly to the thigh. Relax your neck and shoulder. Step 3, Trini, inhale, look up. Open your chest and look up. Chatvari, exhale, walk back. Ashtanga Namana, drop your knee, chest and forehead. Pancha, inhale, cobra pose, tailbone in, toes back, open your shoulder and chest up. Shut, exhale, down facing dog. Stay here for 5 deep breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now with the exhale completely, heels up, Sapto, inhale, both the leg forward, step by step. Look up, Ashto, exhale, down. Nava, inhale, bend the knee, palms together. Slowly come up, look at your palm. Samasthiti, exhale, relax. Again, Ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale. With exhalation, bend forward, bend the knee. Touch your belly to the thigh. Relax your neck and shoulder. Step 3, Trini, inhale, look up. Open your chest and look up. Chatvari, exhale, walk back. Ashtanga Namana, drop your knee, chest and forehead. Pancha, inhale, cobra pose, tailbone in, toes back, open your shoulder and chest up. Shat, exhale, down facing dog. Stay here for 5 deep breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now with the exhale completely, heels up, Sapto, inhale, both the leg forward, step by step. Look up, Ashto, exhale, down. Nava, inhale, bend the knee, palms together. Slowly come up, look at your palm. Samasthiti, exhale, relax. So remember the corrections during the practice. The sun salutation also very easy to practice. Only once you feel comfortable, then you will update and upgrade. It's very important in Ashtanga practice. We don't jump directly to the hard postures or sequences. We will go initial stage, we modify it, and then slowly we update and we upgrade the practice to avoid injuries, any kind of injuries during the practice. Also to progress in the safest way. Practice this. We'll see you in a Sun Salutation B. Have a good day.